been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be working with RPGSHOW hair. They sent me over this beautiful wig, and as you can see, I'm just showing you guys some of the little free goodies that come in the box with the wig. So let me just show y'all this wig that they sent me. They sent this 13x6 glueless lace frontal wig. It is in 16 inches. It has a fake scalp. It's in a light brown color, and it is 200% density. This wig is beautiful. Like, I absolutely love this wig. And just look at the lace. Look at how it blended in. Now, I do have a little bit of makeup on the lace just to match it to my skin tone, but that lace is thin and it's good. It's like invisible lace. This wig was just so beautiful. It's colored beautifully. They never miss whenever it comes to coloring their wigs. It just looks like a really professional job to me, and I love how even though the hair is colored, bleached, highlighted, whatever you want to call it, it still feels super silky and soft, and there's no damage to it at all. And look at that hairline. Look at the hairline. It is pre-plucked, and knots do come bleached as well. That is so beautiful. Also, like I said, this is 13x6. You can see that parting space goes all the way back, so you get a super duper natural look. And I just love that. Like, I love a 13x6 part. It just makes the wigs. So I'm gonna be curling this wig today because I just thought that it would go beautiful with highlights. I always feel like wigs that are highlighted, they just need curls because it just makes the highlights just look so, I don't know, it just goes well with the color, if you guys understand what I'm saying. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the wig. I love this wig. I love RPGSHOW. I've worked with them plenty of times before. You guys can go on my channel and see that every wig that I've gotten from them has been a banger. It's been amazing. So I didn't expect anything less from them, and I just love a good glueless wig. Like, I just love it. This wig does come in an elastic band. I don't know if I said that in the beginning. I'm pretty sure you could see it in the beginning whenever I showed the inside of the wig, but it does come with an elastic band that you can adjust. So completely glueless. You do not have to use glue. Just tighten that band up and you are good to go. So let me just say before I go that RPGSHOW is celebrating their anniversary, their 17th anniversary. On their website, they're going to have big discounts and flash sales offered throughout June, so be sure to keep an eye out on their website if you guys want to save some money and get you a wig. I do recommend them. Try to catch you a wig that's on sale or something, and you'll have a wig that'll last you for a long time. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to let you guys watch me finish curling this wig. It's beautiful. It turned out so beautiful. Like, this wig is so pretty, and it was so soft and silky. I'm just stunned by that because, you know, normally hair that's bleached or highlighted, it gets like that crunchy feeling, but this wig did not have that at all. It just felt like super high quality hair. So if you guys are not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button down below for me. It will mean so much to me. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'm just gonna let you guys go ahead and keep on watching. Like I said, don't forget to check out RPGSHOW's website for their anniversary sale again. And yeah, I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.
Get plenty things got a life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck, this chess games. Cause shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more purple rain prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment I stay expecting it. The pessimist gold medalist flush the magnums just so they not collecting my specimens down. The way she with Poppy, man, you would think quiet, you actually listen. Damn. The boy is back, I never turn my back. I just slapped him, so now all that they see is my back. Say that